Lexus's RX SUV has remained a big seller despite being in need of a redesign for some time, but the wait will soon be over. An all-new generation is being launched for 2023 to replace the previous 7-year-old model. A quartet of powertrains will be on offer, including a new plug-in hybrid version. The RX's new styling looks much sharper than the outgoing models. Although the outgoing model was offered in both 2- and 3-row configurations, the 2023 RX has so far only been shown as a 2-row, 5-seat SUV. A 3-row model may debut later, or the RXL could be replaced by an entirely different and larger SUV with a standard 3rd row of seats. The 2023 RX interior design is more modern than the 2022 model, with textured fabric sections on the upper door panels, rich-looking ambient lighting, and open-pore wood trim on RX350 models. The RX500h F Sport Performance features more heavily bolstered front seats, black interior trim, steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters, and aluminum pedals. A larger 14.0-inch infotainment touchscreen is parked smack in the middle of the RX redesigned dashboard. Like the smaller NX SUV, it is angled slightly toward the driver and uses Lexus's latest software interface. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will be standard, but features such as navigation, a head-up display, and a Mark Levinson stereo system are optional. The overall design is simpler, shedding the zigzag trim that visually separated the two sides of the cabin. There's now a clear distinction between dashboard and center console, the latter of which now features a larger armrest. There's a small drive selector here too, and room for a large wireless charge pad ahead of it. The upper dashboard has a noticeable two-tier look, wrapping around into the door panels to emphasize its width. The 2023 RX features the new Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 suite. This includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, motorcycle detection, and intersection support. It also includes lane departure alert with steering assist and all-speed adaptive cruise control with curve speed management. The available advanced park feature on the 2023 Lexus RX provides automated assist with parallel parking, backup parking, and forward-facing parking. We found its back seats plenty roomy and supportive. With the large panoramic moonroof stretching further back, and the roofline not starting its descent until later as well, second-row accommodations are pretty darn nice. What's more, there's heating and ventilation back there, and bits of suede. We even like the red leather of the pre-production unit. Official measurements are still to come, but we expect the RX to gain more space in all directions. The Lexus RX's lasting popularity has been its comfortable size, and that doesn't change for the new 2023 model. The new luxury SUV rides on a wheelbase that's 2.36 inches longer to increase interior space for people and their stuff, which is great. But to make sure it still fits in parking spaces and garages everywhere, Lexus cut 2.36 inches from the rear overhang to keep the overall length at 192.5 inches. Width is up by an inch and the overall height is down by 0.4 inches. Additionally, digital key technology will allow you to share access to the RX via smartphone app. The redesigned SUV will offer an available head-up display and an optional 21-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system. Advanced Park is also available, taking complete control of the RX to autonomously park the SUV in parallel and perpendicular spaces while the driver remains seated behind the steering wheel.